don't you just love it when your flight gets delayed so much that you miss your connecting flight and essentially you just can't go anywhere. You're stuck. See, right about now I should be somewhere up there and not here. Yeah, see, I should be up in the sky right now, but unfortunately, due to weather, technical difficulties, I don't know, and quite frankly, I don't care. I didn't make my flight. Basically, I missed my connecting flight, or I guess I didn't miss, it just got canceled. So therefore, I couldn't get to my final destination. That destination being Montana. Beautiful Montana, full of lush streams, big fish, mountains. But instead, I'm stuck here, still in Illinois, in the suburbs of Chicago. Doesn't this just remind you of Montana? It's lovely, isn't it? Anyway, I'm getting out of here. Thanks to Delta for rebooking me and also canceling my flight. Hey, how's it going? Uber for John?
Good, man. It's a short trip.
Yeah, short trip. I'm back. Montana was great.
Wow.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Slam?
Yeah, we smoked them. This sucks so bad. But here's the real kicker. Just listen to this. So, while I, of course, missed my flight like I usually do, guess who didn't miss his flight and will be in Montana sometime tonight? My good friend Bryant, who helps me film. He was supposed to go to Montana with me, or I guess I was supposed to go to Montana with him. I missed my flight, he didn't. So he'll be landing tonight while I'm stuck here with you. Sorry, you get me for one more day in Chicago. Yeah, oh my God, shout out to Pop for picking me up. I'm gonna head back home. Don't know what I'm gonna do, it's getting late. Probably not gonna fish. I was hoping to fish tomorrow, but that's not gonna happen. Maybe edit some videos, chill with Lucky, maybe get some coffee because I'm really tired. Oh, that was just miserable, dude. Actually, I think it might be Brian's fault because every time I film with Brian, missed flights.
Iceland. Hashtag Iceland.
This is actually your fault, Brian. Anyway, I'm going back home. Thanks to this guy for driving. Big bust. Let's try again tomorrow.
What's up? What hour are you on of the 5-hour layover?
I'm on 35 minutes right now.
Good. Well, if it makes you feel any better, me and Drew just got to the water.
Oh, just now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
What are you guys going after today?
What's up?
What are you guys fishing for today?
Carp.
On the fly?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, feel free to not send any pictures or video, just... Look at that.
Thank
There you
you.
go. Thank you.
And door number 2.
Pretty cool fish. Did you see him come back around and get it? This one's for you, John.
For the officially made it to Montana. Welcome to Montana. It's already beautiful. The airport's beautiful. Oh my God, there's a creek in the airport. Check that out. Did you guys fish this yet or no? Bit of trout action in the lower pool. Very nice, very nice. So while I was flying, these guys were fishing, and thanks to them, they picked me up. The only thing I have to do is wait for my bag, and once I get my bag, we're done. We're done flying for a good week. That's a neat little rig. Smoker craft. Hey man, what's up? How you doing? Hey, oh sh. Wow, we did it. We did it already. Good to see you, dude. For those of you guys who don't know this is my first time in Montana. Jared lives here. I don't know if you guys remember Jared. You have to. He filmed the little tour I did in Ohio. There's Jared, he's driving. I don't want him to turn around and say hey because he's driving. And then there's Brian. Both hardcore fly dudes. To be quite honest, I stick out like a sore thumb in this car right now because I'm more of a, I like throwing big, heavy duty setups. 65-pound braid's great. I love heavy line, you know. But hopefully a little bit of their fly fishing knowledge and skill rubs off on me in this trip. I was also telling them earlier too, my only knowledge and experience with Montana, like I'm being dead serious right now, is the movie The River Runs Through It. So I don't know what really this place looks like. I know that sounds crazy. Like I bought a flight to Montana. I should have done some research, but I didn't. And I think that's what's so cool about trips like this is like I'm kind of entrusting to these guys, mostly Jared because he lives here, that we just have fun. I don't care if we catch fish or not. I just want to experience Montana for a few days, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Although these assholes decided to go fishing without me this morning, and I absolutely destroyed the carp, like messed them up. I don't know what the game plan. What's the game plan? What are we doing right now, Jared?
There's no game plan.
No game plan. That was the right answer. There's absolutely no game plan. I think we might get some munch first and then just roll with the punches. I'm really pumped. This is like it's my second time out west, but like my first official time. Well, here we are, fresh off the airplane, straight on the river. Welcome to Montana. Anchor down. Did you figure that mess out? Like a 6-weight reel on a 5-weight rod and some 7-weight line with a leader. It's a hybrid. I was doing a little bit of I wanted to test something out. The buoyancy of that braid matched with the 7-weight line really goes great with some supple trilene Berkeley monofilament. But I guess if you guys say it's not gonna work, then it's not gonna work. I mean, I don't know. Let me finish it off. I'll do the finishing touches.
Yeah, I'll just do the
Yeah, you do all that heavy lifting. All right, sick.
I'll get it all rigged up for you.
Yeah. Thanks, Bryant.
I'll even set the hook for you.
Yeah. Here, now, what you're gonna have to do now is hook up. Just hand me the rod. Was it a fish?
Yeah.
Was it really?
Yeah, I saw something.
Did you really?
Right here.
You're kidding me.
No.
I felt it. I thought it was a rock though. So, see you, Jared. Jared's gonna meet us around. Brian and I are gonna check out the world's smallest river, and I'm gonna make an official cast in the world's smallest river to say that I've gotten a chance to fish the world's smallest and the world's biggest. I think the world's biggest river is the Amazon River, and I got a chance to fish that last year, so it should be really crazy to say I got a chance to make a cast in both, just to officially say that I did it, just to check it off my big old bucket list. Ready? Here we go. And just like that, fish the world's smallest river. That's so cool. Here we go, the smallest river runs through it. From here, you can witness one of the shortest rivers in the country flowing into the longest river. The Roe River ranks as one of the shortest rivers. This is the Roe River, I didn't even know the name of it. It's only 201 feet in length. Significantly smaller than the Amazon, that's for sure. Montana, I am already incredibly impressed. Haven't caught any fish yet, but I'm having the time of my life. This is so cool. I not only got to link up with my two good buddies and fish a place I've never fished before, but I got to fish the world's smallest river and experience like just probably one of the cleanest, clearest springs I've ever seen. So right here where I've got my GoPro dip in the water is where the river starts. It's an actual spring. Might I add, my hand is freezing cold right now. It is extremely chilly, probably 50 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe a little bit colder. And that may not sound that cold, but when it's like 80, 90 degrees air temp, it feels really chilly. So I'm giving you guys a look-see as to how clear this water is. There's actually trout in here. Unfortunately, you can't catch them. But at the very least, I want to give you guys a shot as to what and where the smallest river is. The Roe River. Well, successfully made it to Montana. Despite the fact that yesterday was a complete failure of an attempt to make it here, today we're finally here. I don't know what's in the stores. Jaron won't tell me. I don't even think he knows, which I kind of like. Actually, matter of fact, I really like that. I like the unplanned, unforeseen future of this trip in Montana. But this is cool. I've got a really nice taste for the Missouri River, correct? This is Missouri River? Missouri River. Got that right off the top of my head. And I'm just really hyped to continue to vibe out Montana and see what it's all about. It's very different than Illinois. It's a little bit hillier and there's more water, as you guys can see. But we're gonna round up now, get a bite to eat, and catch you later. Here we go, upload a video while I'm filming a video, or I guess ending a video. This is it. We are saying goodnight and bidding you guys farewell. We've just now come up with our plan for tomorrow and the next day. I'm not going to share that plan because it's best left a secret and a surprise, but I will say that we've got some really cool stuff in stores for you. But for now, I'm heading to bed. Bronchiosaurus and I are signing out, saying goodnight, and we will catch you guys tomorrow in the PM. Hopefully, I'm thinking tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, roll to bed, put my hat on, put my flannel on, looking straight up like Brad Pitt from A River Runs Through It. But yeah, trout is definitely on the mission. Just a little bit of everything. We're pumped, we're stoked, and hope you guys are too. So good night, farewell, and as always, my fellow Jeets, keep fishing. Never stop.